Hello guys, in this video we are going to create this awesome landing page for a personal portfolio website. We have here our nav bar, here is the logo, and here is the nav links with a hover effect, and here is the icons. And here is the main section with an H1, a paragraph, two buttons with a hover effect, and finally the social links with the hover effect. And here is the main image. We will make it with just HTML and CSS from scratch. Let's get started. We will open our file with live server. Okay. Let's start with a section with class wrapper. And we have here a header and the logo, class logo. I will write my name, you can write yours. And here is the nav links, home, services, about, and contact. And we will make here the icons. Guys, I have here the font awesome library for the icons. You can get it by search for font awesome CDN, the first website. You can copy this link and put it in the link tag in your HTML and it will work. Let's start with the search icon for search. Okay, we will add the bell icon and the user icon. We will make it circle user. Okay, let's style our nav bar. Margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, wrapper. Minimum height will be 100 view height and position will be relative. We will make a pseudo element for the background color. Wrapper before, position absolute, content will be empty, and background color will be this color, and width 27%, height 100%, and we will make it right 0, and finally z index will be -1. Okay, now for the header, position will be fixed, width will be 100%, left 0, top 0, display flex, align icon center, justify content space between, and padding will be 20 pixels, 7%. Okay, let's style our logo. Font size will be 30 pixels, color will be this color, and font weight will be bold. Okay, now for the nav links, position will be relative, text decoration none, font size 18 pixels, font weight 500, letter spacing 1, and margin will be 0 and 20 pixels, and color will be black, and we will make border bottom 3 pixels solid transparent, and we will give it a color in the hover effect, and transition will be 0.5 seconds. Now nav a hover, border color will be this color, and color will be the same, and let's see it. Perfect. Now the icons, display and line block, font size will be 22 pixels, color will be white, margin left will be 20 pixels, and transition will be 0.3 second. Now the hover effect, color will be black. Okay, looks perfect. Now let's make our section. div.home and div.content. We will start with h4. Hello there, I am. And now h1, you can write your name, and we will make a lorem text from 15 words. Let's see the result. Okay, now the buttons. The first button, hire me, and the download button, download CV. Okay, now the social icons, dev.social. We have here a lot of icons for Facebook. Let's make them 6. Okay, Twitter and Instagram and LinkedIn and GitHub, and finally YouTube. Okay, let's add our image here. Images, portfolio. I will leave this image in the description, guys, and the whole source code for you. Okay, no, not this one. Portfolio. Okay, this one is good. Let's style our portfolio. Home height will be 100 view height. Display flex, align icon center. Padding will be 0 and 7%. Okay, now the image. Home image. Position will be absolute. Width will be 450 pixels, and height will be the same. And we will make it right 10%. And we will make the object fit cover and border radius 50. And we will add a box shadow. We will make it 10 circles. The second one 0 0 0 20 pixels will be white, and the last one will be 0 0 0 30 pixels, and the color will be this color. Okay, looks good, but we need to make the background color white. Now it looks better. Now we will go to the H4, content H4. Font size will be 24 pixels. Font weight will be 500. Font style will be italic. And finally, the letter spacing will be 1. Okay, now content H1. Font size will be 95 pixels, and color will be the same as the whole website, and letter spacing will be 1 pixel, and line height will be 1.3. Okay, now content B. Font size will be 18 pixels, max width will be 600 pixels, and color will be 555. Okay, now the buttons. Margin top 30 pixels and font size 18 pixels. The first button, display and line block. Text decoration none, and padding 15 pixels, 60 pixels, border radius 13 pixels, and background and color will be white, and margin right will be 20 pixels, and finally the transition effect will be in 0.3 seconds. Okay, now the download button, display and line block, text decoration none, padding will be 15 pixels and 40 pixels. Background will be white. Color will be this color. Border 2 pixels, solid and the same color. Transition will be 0.3 seconds. I forgot the border radius. Border radius 30 pixels. Okay, now the hover effect. We will add here a box shadow 0, 0, 0, 2 pixels, white, and 0, 0, 0, 5 pixels, this color. Okay, now the download button, hover effect, background color, and color will be white. Okay, looks perfect. Now the social icons div position will be absolute and bottom 10%. Okay, now the social icons display will be inline block, height 45 pixels and width 45 pixels and border radius 50% and border 3 pixels solid and margin right will be 20 pixels and text align will be center. Line height will be 40 pixels and font size will be 20 pixels and color. And finally the transition effect will be in 0.3 seconds. Okay, the hover effect hover. We will add box shadow 0, 0, 0, 2 pixels, white, and 0, 0, 0, 5 pixels, this color. And background will be this and color will be white. Okay, looks perfect. And now we have made a personal portfolio landing page with just HTML and CSS. If you like it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next videos.